All right. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you from my city, Calabar, a small city somewhere in south of Nigeria. And on Wednesday, I was supposed to drop a video, and I said that there's an issue in the country. Well, the country right now is in flames. So 2020 has been a very good year, and I thought that I should leave where I was staying and move to a better place. Big mistake. Yeah, I got an apartment around a lot of people who have positions in government, and right now the Nigerians are very very upset with their government. So a house close to mine, two houses close to mine that belong to prominent people in government have been set ablaze, and I had to leave. Currently, I'm safe, but I don't think a video is coming to you guys anytime soon. But I'm not in my house, so people should pray that my camera equipment stays safe. If not, we probably will not have a video in a while. And even if you do, it probably won't be as good as the ones I've been putting out. But I pray that my things stay safe, and I pray that the country um, balances out. But until then, I need your prayers because I really don't know what's happening. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of uncertainty looming around the country. You don't even know where to go to. You don't know, even if you have money, you can't spend it because people's businesses are being looted. And I pray, a lot of you here own shops, and right now, this is a very bad time to own a business in Nigeria. Because people's businesses are being looted, people are being brought down to the ground. But I pray that for all of you that own businesses, I pray that your shops are kept safe, and even if you guys, are brought down to your knees and your shops are looted and are destroyed, I pray that you shall rise from the ashes like a phoenix. You'll be born afresh, born anew, and the business will be bigger than it was before. If you have lost anything, if you have not, I pray that your businesses be kept safe until this whole thing blows over. So yeah, you guys stay safe and pray for my camera equipment to stay safe. Yeah, well, you see, that's what's happening in Nigeria now. Look at I've been reduced to using my phone to film. A video must be put up. I'm not taking my bath. Look at me like a mad person. Look at me. Look at me. Fine, fine, fine. Yes, I must say it. I must say it. What kind of country are we living in? A full grown man like me, I had to run back. I had to run back to my parents' house. I had to run back home. So yeah, pray for the Nigeria comeback. So hopefully I'll see you guys sometime next week. We hope. Have a nice day. Bye bye.